I'm excited about any chance I get to do barbecue on the weekends, but today I'm going to get to do burnt end pork belly bites. Really excited about this. I've got the smoke started here, still waiting for it to to clear up and get ready. I'm going to be using apple wood for my chunks. I've got lump charcoal in there, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you me cutting up the actual pork belly and seasoning it and getting it ready. So I have a nice cut here of pork belly, and it's a little under 2 pounds. As you can see, I don't have a very big pan. I'm not going to be making a lot of this today, but I just wanted to walk you through the process here. Basically, all I have here, like I said, really nice, ready to be cut. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these into 1-inch squares, about 1-inch squares. Okay, so my cutlery skills could use a little bit of improvement, but that's okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip these over. Perhaps I should have just started out that way so that I can go ahead and get that rub on top of this. Now again, what this is going to be, these are going to be burnt end pork bellies. And I'm going to go ahead and season them in just a second here. Get all this flipped over. It's going to be delicious. Now, I keep my pork rub recipe on my website. Of course, I'll put a link in the comments there. But it's just something I just make at home, and it's really easy. Just pour it on top of here. Very happy. Love being outside. This is such a beautiful day out here, and you know, I do a lot of prep work inside, but when I can, I try to do as much as I can outside as well. Yeah, that's going to do just fine. Now it's really simple. All we're going to do is we're going to pop these into the pan that you see here. And you do end up braising these. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to put these fat side down. First of all, I like fat towards the heat rather than the meat. But second of all, the fat will go ahead and keep them out of the liquid for a time as well. So by doing this, we're going to be able to braise, but still get all of that beautiful smoke absorbed right into the meat, because everything on top, especially the first hour or so, there won't be nearly as much liquid. And we're going to have some wonderful pork belly bites here. So terrific. Yeah, I know it's not beautiful. It doesn't have to be beautiful. It's at home. It's your own barbecue. Unless you're a video, then maybe I should have done a little bit neater, but that's okay. What we're going to do from this point, we're just going to go ahead and put them on. Okay, so now it's time for the simple part. We've got it up to temp. It's actually a little bit higher, so I've closed the vents. And now what I want to do is hit around 250 degrees. I'm going to do that for about 3 hours, but simple. Just go ahead and open it up. I don't need a drip pan because, again, it's being braised, so very easy. I'm just going to sit it right in there and close the top, monitor the temperature, and I will let you guys know the next step, because in a little while we're going to go back in and put some sauce on it. But right now I wanted to absorb all that lovely smoke, so see you in just a bit. Hey everybody, just letting you know we're about 3 hours into the cook, and what I'm going to do now is I want to put a little bit of barbecue sauce on these. Now again, I only put the rub on so far, but now we're past the smoke and we're getting to the point where maybe we have about an hour or so to go, and this is just going to add some really nice flavor and hopefully crust up the outsides a little bit. Ooh. Okay, well, in about an hour we're going to take them off and we're going to see how they are. Okay, and here we go. We are ready to take them off here. I love the color I've got. Very happy with that. And let's go taste these and see how they came out. Okay, let's see how it is. Yeah. A nice crispiness on the bottom. Oh, this is looking good. Okay, I'm happy. Okay, so if you guys go ahead and try this yourselves or have a different recipe, post it in the comments before. I'd be interested. You guys have a great day.